Hello guys, welcome to Agro Inspiration. Today I'll be showing you this 1 week after our huckleberry that we transfer. This 1 week after, you can see we have put our fowl stool, which is Manuo. We have put our Manuo. That's why you're seeing it's very fresh like this. People can see outside it's very fresh, very healthy, as people can see, guys. So you just scatter a small fowl stool. You don't need too much. You scatter it small there. Then when you scatter it, at least it should be like 2 weeks or 3 weeks, 3 weeks maximum. Your huckleberry will be good for the market. You can go and sell, or you can provide for the house. But it's good for business, for fast business, for people who are looking how to rise fast their capital. So thank you. Follow for more.